Welcome to 430 Morrison Street, centrally located in San Diego. This is a townhouse, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 1-car garage. When you enter the home, you enter into an open living space. You have a fully functionable kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and lots of cabinetry. There is also a versatile and mobile island. Over here in the living space, you also have a gas fireplace. And right off of that, you have your outdoor living space, which comes with outdoor furniture. And moving back along this way, right past the stairs, you have a storage space, as well as a half bath downstairs for your guest. And your 1-car garage. And now we will head upstairs. Immediately to the right, you have a very long bedroom here. You can fit a king size or queen size bed. And you have a wall closet. Show you the length of this room. Very long. And also a lot of natural light. And down the hall, you have your full bath. And then we have your second bedroom here. Can comfortably fit a queen size bed, possibly even a king. And then you have your wall length closet. And as we continue down the hall, the master suite is a little bit separated, nice for privacy. High ceilings with a ceiling fan, can comfortably fit a California king size bed. You have your mirrored closet, and of course, your private bathroom suite.